Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Ford GT40 in CSR2. The most reliable way to add this iconic vehicle to your garage is by progressing through the Legends campaign. This involves completing a series of challenging races and events. We'll also touch on other potential acquisition methods, ensuring you have a full guide to obtaining and optimizing your GT40 for peak performance on the track. Let's dive into the details. To get the Ford GT40, you'll need to focus on the Legends campaign. As you advance through the various tiers and challenges, you'll eventually reach the Performance Ford event. Successfully completing this event is your direct path to earning the GT40 as a reward. Remember, you'll need a strong roster of other Legends cars to compete effectively in these demanding races, so prepare your garage accordingly. While the Legends campaign is the main route, there are other possibilities. Occasionally, the Ford GT40 might appear in rare import crates, so saving your silver or gold keys could pay off. Also, watch for special in-game events or limited-time offers that could feature the GT40 as a reward or a purchasable item. These opportunities are less frequent, but worth considering if you're eager to get this classic car. Once you have your Ford GT40, the real fun begins with upgrading it. Focus on maximizing all performance parts from engine to turbo to unlock its full potential. Don't forget to install fusion parts, which provide crucial statistical boosts. Finally, spend time tuning your car for optimal launch, gear shifting, and nitrous timing. A well-tuned GT40 can dominate races and help you achieve impressive quarter-mile times.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.